Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Kraken Cubes, and today I will be teaching you how to solve the entire second layer of your cube. I already taught you how to solve the first layers, and there's a link to that in the description, and it should pop up right in this corner here. And this is part 2, so I will be teaching you the second layer, and in part 3, that will also be linked when it comes out. I will teach you the last layer, but today we're teaching you the second layer. I'm teaching you. Okay, so now that everyone has their first layer solved, now we have to get the edge pieces in their correct spots. So there's 4 empty slots here where we need to put the correct edge pieces in to solve the entire second layer. So if you look up here, I have a red and blue edge piece, and that needs to go right here where there's the red and blue centerpiece. So your first step is to find an edge piece with no yellow, because yellow is the top layer and we're looking for the middle layer. So once you have found a piece on the top without yellow, then you're just going to align it with its centerpiece. So I have red on the side, so I'm going to match that up with the red centerpiece. And now you can see that my piece needs to go here, but your piece could need to go on either side depending on what color you have. Say you had blue here, it could be red and blue, or it could be orange and blue. But if it needs to go on the right slot, then you are going to look at the top color and actually turn it in the opposite direction. So this is blue, so I'm going to turn that away. And then you're just going to follow this simple algorithm for the right side, and then I'll show you the left side one. So you take it out, push this corner piece to the side, flip this face back down, and then flip it back. And now your corner piece should be above where it needs to go, and then the edge piece should just be right in front of it. So now you're going to turn your cube so these are matched up, and then your edge piece is here, and do this. So now I'll show you what you need to do if your edge piece needs to go to the right side. So as you can see, this is orange and green, and this is orange and green, so it needs to go right in here. And how you're going to do this is it's basically the same thing, just on the other side. So I still look at the top color and turn it away. Oh yeah, and by the way, make sure this is lined up with its centerpiece. And then you look at the top color, turn it away from that top color. So last time it was this way, but now it is the opposite way. And then you take this corner out just on the left side, so up, sideways, back down, and then put this back to the left. And now you're just going to turn your cube this way again, so the edge piece is here and the corner piece is here. So turn it, and then insert it by doing this. And now it should be in place on the right side. Lastly, I'll show you what to do if you need to take an edge piece out. So as you can see here, I have an edge piece in here, but it is flipped around the wrong way. Now, this is irrelevant. It could be this corner piece could be in here, and I'd still need to take it out, and it's still the same way of taking it out. So if you have an edge piece that's in the wrong way, or it's the wrong colors, then you just take it out by doing this. So you take this side and put this pair out. Turn it back, and then turn your cube again, except the pair won't be on this side because we're not inserting a pair, we're just taking this out, and then insert the corner back in. And now your pair should be on the top face, and then you align it with its centerpiece, turn it away from where it needs to go, take this out, turn it, put it back in. Now for taking a piece out, it doesn't matter which side you hold it on. You can hold it on this side or this side, but I showed you it on the right side, so I might as well show you it on the left, so just because it's the same thing, just like with your left hand. So you still take this pair out, turn it, turn your entire cube to the left, and insert this. It's actually the exact same as inserting a pair, minus matching it up and then turning it away from where it needs to go. It's the same algorithm to get a piece out as it is to get one in. And if you follow those steps enough, your entire second layer should be solved. This video was a lot quicker than the first layer because there's only one step and you only need to do 4 edge pieces in total. So the next video I will show you the top layer that will be up here and also linked in the description when it comes out, because as of filming this I haven't filmed that yet, so but yeah, it will probably be out when you're watching this, like probably 99% chance, 99.9% chance. I honestly don't know, but anyway guys, thanks, oh my gosh, anyway guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.